To withdraw crypto from BitMart, start by logging into your account on the BitMart website or mobile app. Ensure you have enabled two-factor authentication to secure your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, where you can view your available balance for each cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and click on the Withdraw button next to it. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's address, which is the address of the external wallet where you want to send the cryptocurrency. Make sure to double-check the address, as any mistake can result in loss of funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, taking into account the minimum withdrawal amount and any applicable fees. The fee will be deducted from your withdrawal amount, so ensure you have sufficient balance. Before confirming the withdrawal, review the transaction details, including the address, amount, and fee. If everything is correct, submit the withdrawal request. BitMart will then process the withdrawal, which may take some time depending on the network congestion and the cryptocurrency's blockchain. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the transaction history section of your account. To ensure a smooth withdrawal process, always use a valid and correct recipient address, and be aware of the withdrawal fees and minimum amounts. It is also essential to keep your account and wallet secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your cryptocurrency from BitMart and transfer it to an external wallet. Always prioritize security and double-check transaction details to avoid any potential issues.